how can you delete projects in Ignition? So to answer your question is, if you are trying, let's say, delete project when you go to the designer. So let's go to the designer here. And what we're gonna do here is, let me put my credentials over here and let's see. Maybe you are trying to do something from here, but will not be possible. So let's say I want to delete this first project here, but doesn't have any button here that says delete project. So how can you do that? So the way that you can do that is you need to go to your gateway here and go to your projects. So config your gateway, config projects, and here so we can delete. So if we click over here, delete, we're going to delete our first project over here. So let's delete for now. I delete it. And now when you are starting up your launcher, designer launcher here, you will not see more the project that we just deleted right now. So let's go here, admin, and let's put it over there. Now you see, I don't have another project here because we just deleted few seconds ago. So this is what I'd like to show you guys. If you like, just give your thumbs up, subscribing on your channel, and see you next video. Bye.